Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. In this video, we'll be discussing the legal and regulatory issues that pertain to information security in a holistic context. Cybercrime and data breaches are becoming increasingly prevalent, causing significant harm to organizations and individuals. It is crucial for security professionals to be aware of this issue due to the potential risks and consequences it poses. Cybercrime involves the use of technology to commit illegal activities such as hacking, identity theft, and fraud. Data breaches occur when unauthorized individuals access sensitive or confidential information, which can lead to financial losses, reputational damage, and legal implications. Therefore, it is important for security professionals to stay up to date with the latest cyber threats, implement robust security measures, and educate employees on best practices for information security. Reasons why cybercrimes are difficult to manage: lack of understanding. Legislators, judges, attorneys, law enforcement officials, and jurors do not comprehend the technology and issues involved in cybercrimes. Inadequate laws. Laws evolve slowly and do not keep up with the rapidly changing technology. Encryption. Advanced encryption techniques in mobile devices hinder criminal investigations by law enforcement organizations. Multiple roles of computers in crime. Computers can be used for committing crimes, supporting criminal enterprises, and record-keeping, making it challenging to identify the criminals and prosecute them effectively. These challenges make it tough for law enforcement officials to manage and handle cybercrimes. To combat this growing threat, it is essential for lawmakers, law enforcement officials, and the public to stay informed about the latest technologies and issues related to cybercrime. Another challenge is that law enforcement need to face: lack of tangible assets. In many cases, law enforcement agencies struggle with a lack of tangible assets such as physical evidence or financial records to help them build a case against a suspect. This can make it difficult to prove criminal activity beyond a reasonable doubt, and can also hinder investigations. Rules of evidence. There are strict rules around the types of evidence that can be admitted in court, which can make it challenging for law enforcement to build a case. For example, evidence that was obtained illegally may not be admissible in court, even if it could help to prove a suspect's guilt. Lack of evidence. In some cases, law enforcement may simply not have enough evidence to make an arrest or build a case. This can be particularly challenging in cases where the crime was committed some time ago, or where the perpetrator took steps to cover their tracks. Definition of loss. Defining the loss in a criminal case can be challenging, particularly in cases where the victim suffered emotional harm or other non-tangible losses. This can make it difficult to determine the appropriate level of restitution or compensation, and can also impact the severity of the charges that are brought against the perpetrator. Location of perpetrators. In some cases, law enforcement may know who committed a crime but struggle to locate the perpetrator. This can be particularly challenging in cases where the suspect has fled the jurisdiction or is in hiding. Criminal profiles. Criminal profiles can be challenging for law enforcement to develop, particularly in cases where the perpetrator is a juvenile or trusted person. Juvenile offenders may not have a criminal record, making it difficult to predict their behavior, while trusted individuals may not fit the typical profile of a criminal, making it challenging to identify them as a suspect. By understanding the legal and regulatory issues that pertain to information security, organizations can ensure that they are protecting their sensitive information, complying with relevant laws and regulations, and mitigating the risks associated with data breaches. Even though cybersecurity professionals does not need to be law enforcement experts, Having a basic understanding of current laws and issues related to cybercrime, such as data breaches and the theft or misuse of intellectual property, is necessary. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.